So how are you gonna feel about leaving your friends behind?
Simply Shell, Simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me. She got a vibe for you.
Okay guys, welcome back. It's your girl Michelle. I had to slide off in the bathroom because the kids are in my room. As you guys can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to be surprising my kids today with the good news that we are moving to a new state. If you haven't checked out my previous video and you want to catch up a little bit, I'll be sure to link it. But I didn't want to just tell them the easy way, so I wanted to get creative and make it fun for them. The time is now because every time I'm talking to my mom and my grandma, I'm catching myself almost slipping up right in front of them, and then I have to clean up my mess. So I'm not gonna hold it in anymore. They deserve to know. They will know today. So if you guys wanna see their reaction, make sure you watch the whole entire video. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna play a little game. We're gonna do a little scavenger hunt. I got these boxes. Inside are about 6 boxes that I created. Inside each box has a clue, and I wrote a little riddle. And so every riddle is going to give them more and more clues, and hopefully by the last riddle, they will put 2 and 2 together and they'll figure it out. I'm hoping that they'll be excited. I'm pretty sure they are, because whatever decision I've ever wanted to do in my life, my kids, my 2 daughters in specific, because Juju's smaller, so I didn't understand. My girls have always been there for me, no matter what it is I wanted to do. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna set up and then we're gonna play the game. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get the reaction. So I asked you guys to come into the living room because today I have a surprise for you guys. Yay! So normally, you know, mommy always just tells you guys whatever's going on or whatever the case may be, but this is something that's gonna, I don't know, maybe you guys will be able to tell me afterwards, but I didn't want to make it easy, okay? First things first, let me ask you, how was your Christmas to begin with?
It was crazy. Best Christmas. It was great.
Yeah,
Okay, so I have something I think that's gonna make it even better, okay? I know you're probably like, what's going on here? You know I'm a prankster, but I'm not pranking you. This is a real life thing, but you're gonna figure it out. So what we're gonna do today is, we're gonna play a game.
Okay.
We're not gonna play Simon Says. We're not gonna play Truth or Dare.
Yeah.
And we're not gonna play Ring Around the Rosie. Okay? We are going to do a scavenger hunt, right? So what mommy did was, I went to the store and I got a whole bunch of gift boxes, right?
Yeah.
On each of the gift boxes, it's gonna have your initial on it. Whatever initial you see, you have to open it, and there's gonna be a clue inside of it. You have to figure it out. If you get stuck, you guys as siblings can come together and figure it out. By the end of this game, you should know what the surprise is. Okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna place them all over the living room, and you're gonna do what you gotta do.
I'm scared.
You're scared. Do you have any idea what you think the surprise is? You can just take any guess what you think we're gonna do, we're gonna go, anything.
Ice skating?
Trampoline park.
Where do you think we're going? Too cold for that.
Yep.
Guess you're gonna have to see. I don't know if I wanna tell them to turn around or if I should just place them in front of them. Everybody just turn around. And I'm gonna put them, obviously, we don't live in a mansion yet, so I'm just gonna put them in random places and you guys gotta find it. Okay, turn around now.
What?
Now,
What is it?
you gotta pick a number from 1 to 5.
4. 2.
No,
1.
no.
3,
Yeah,
4,
you get to go.
5.
Your color box is silver, so look anywhere in the house. It's gonna be in the living room. It's not gonna be too crazy. Keep looking. You're hot. You're hot. Hot. Turn around. Hot. Hot. Nope. Hot. Keep looking. Lyric sees it. You don't see anything? You're there. Somewhere there. Okay, good.
Clue 1. I have 2 wheels. You can pull me and shove lots of clothes inside.
What do you think that is?
A closet.
Nope. What else? I have 2 wheels. Say it again.
2 wheels. You can pull me and shove lots of clothes inside.
So you guys can debate.
draw.
You got about 30 seconds to come up with an answer. Teamwork makes the dream work.
What's in the draw? Yeah. Just,
Something that has wheels, so that means you can pull it.
Car. Truck.
You can pull it with your
A
hand.
wagon.
Similar.
a table.
A bag. A bag.
No. You're getting close. You can pull it.
Or, no.
You use it when you're like going on an airplane.
Yes,
It's so
thank-
Face.
Yes! Ding, 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 ding. Your box is red, Lyric. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh.
Y'all cheating. They was cheating. Okay. Don't worry, Juju. You're gonna go. What does it say?
It says, I can hold large quantities of furniture inside of me. I also travel all over the world. I can attach a card to myself as well.
A moving truck.
Ding, 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 ding. Y'all are on fire. Clue number 3. Go ahead, Poppy.
Okay.
You see something? What did you find? It's a box inside of a box. Let him take it out. Okay, good boy. Give the clue to Sissy.
Give it to Sissy.
No, that's mine.
Let me
Okay, he's gonna read it. What does it say, Papa?
This ever to pull me out.
Okay, let Sissy read it. Good job. Now Sissy's turn. She got to read it.
Oh, that's mine.
Clue number 3. I am brown. I have 4 corners. You can take me up.
What?
Say
I
it
am
again.
brown. I have 4 corners. You can take me up. A rectangle. A box.
You got it right.
A box.
A box.
A box.
Stop going back to the same spot.
But like, there's a box here.
Okay. You cheating. All right.
Yeah, and it says M.
Go inside. It says your name.
Clue number 4. I unlock doors. You can unlock me, but this key isn't for this house.
What's inside of it?
Mom. Yeah, boy.
What is that?
A new key?
A
Key
card.
to what?
Wait.
What kind of
my
key?
key.
It could be
No,
to a
stop
diary.
touching. To a diary?
I don't know. It could be something. It's a key to something though. But you don't know what it.
I'm gonna go with
What?
a diary.
Yeah, a diary. A book.
Maybe handcuffs.
Oh,
You can unlock a car with a door key.
yeah, true, but these aren't the keys that you use in a car.
A diary. Are these boxes?
I don't know. I
There's
don't know.
boxes here.
You don't remember when I decorated?
No.
Is there a clue?
Nope.
No.
No.
Hold on.
No. Those ones, no.
That's part of the
Oh,
decoration.
it's right here.
Okay.
You don't read it. Tell us what it says.
It says pull me out of school with the time.
Oh.
That's the
That's a good clue. Now give it to Sissy so she can read it.
Clue number 5. A lot of kids attend every day at the same time. You will meet new friends and new teachers.
New school.
Yeah. School.
Do it
We
together.
all have to open it, Justice.
pull me out of school with time.
Go ahead, read it, Mimi.
Now let me see.
Go ahead.
Okay, let me read it. She said, okay, Clue says, I hope you enjoy me. I can't wait till you're here.
All right, ready? Close your eyes. What is this? What do you see?
Is a house.
What is this?
A new house.
New house?
We're moving! We're moving to a new state!
We're moving.
Yes!
Your riddles were so confusing.
We're actually for
We're for real moving. I've been holding this in for a few days now. I almost slipped up and told, but we are literally moving, Mia. You are going to be in a new state. You're going to have new friends. You're going to have a new school, new room, new everything.
I got it.
Juju, how do you feel about getting a new room?
A new room?
Are you going to be excited?
So what are the keys for?
Keys to the house.
Actually, these
Not those, not the real ones, but Juju, are you excited about a new room?
Yeah.
You gonna decorate your room?
Yeah.
What kind of room do you want?
The baby shark one.
Okay.
I'm really happy. I've been with
I'm
you for a
really
long
happy
time.
too.
So how are you gonna feel about leaving your friends behind?
very sad.
Sad. But I can still talk to them.
I got my
All right, guys. So this pretty much wraps up today's video. I'm so excited. You guys excited?
Yes.
Like really excited?
Yes.
And I can't wait to start this new journey with my family. So stay tuned because I'm going to be dropping back-to-back vlogs. And you guys are going to see everything from beginning to end. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Just to say peace. Peace. Show them the new house. Show them our new house.
Simply Shell.